plane on final right there. Okay, one last test we need to do. What do we do? Good job. We're gonna wait for him to get a little lower because we're gonna fly right over there and I don't want to scare him.
Okay.
All right, eyes on the horizon. I'm bringing the collective up. Little left with the cyclic, and we're in a hover.
All right.
Clock down traffic. Helicopter for Mike Charlie departing east ramp westbound. Final traffic in sight, no factor. Clock down. All right, you ready?
I believe so.
You have controls.
I have the controls.
You have them.
Have the controls. We got this.
Can you see the dam out there?
Yeah.
Fly me directly over the dam.
So I need to go more forward because our front's coming up a little bit, or come down on the collector, right?
Yep, you're good. Come left a little bit. There you go. Now we're just level. Let's climb a little bit. So raise the collective just a tad. And
how's that?
Perfect. Keep forward in on the cyclic. Good. We want the airspeed and the climb.
Airspeeds are at 75.
Beautiful. It's all you.
All right.
Foot per minute climb rate. We're at 1,500 and we're 80 knots. So go ahead and just dip that collective down a little bit. Right there.
Perfect.
Beautiful. How's it feel?
Feels natural as can be.
Good.
Feels like I've been flying for a year. Doubt it, but hey. At least I'm not doing the beginner nose dipping stuff.
That's true. Table Rock Dam straight ahead. It's over 250 feet high.
Is that the chateau on the lake over there?
That's the chateau. Okay, we're at 1,800. Good. Yep, just a little forward airspeed, and that'll bring us down a little bit.
How's that?
Good. I like it.
I was trying to take us up higher back there. I don't know. It's just something about being so low, but I mean, we're at a very safe altitude here, aren't we?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
I fly my tours at 16 and 1,500, so we're good.
'Cause life is going, gone.
Table Rock Lake.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, you see Inspiration Tower out to the right?
Yeah.
Turn me right and fly me to that.
Oh, it's going, gone.
Good. Nice collective work.
Thank you, sir.
Go forward on the cyclic just a tad, just a little. Too much. There we go. Okay.
Oh, it's going, gone. Shake the hand.
Indian Point off to the left there. Big vacation spot. And the cove in front of us is Stormy Point Village.
Can you get our tail a little bit straightened up here? Like more so that way we're going, or are you doing a turn still?
No, I don't. You turn. I don't turn.
Well, no, I was. I mean,
Were we out of trim? Is that what you're saying?
I mean, it just feels like the tail's a little bit to the left. Is all I'm saying.
It is because we're crabbing into the wind.
Oh, I got you. Okay, well I can get used to it. It was a little bit more unnatural than over there, but it's all right. I'm getting it. Are you getting some good pictures on her?
Yeah.
Good.
more trouble.
There's the Red Roof Mall.
That's the Red Roof Mall. They're turning that into 5 Little League baseball stadiums.
Huh.
Gonna make them look like 5 of the major league parks.
Cradles and the rocking chairs and make a light. The boys coming.
This is 76 right here, isn't it?
76 right over there, yep.
Yep. And that's where we're headed to?
Nope, we're actually gonna go straight.
Okay.
You're doing well enough, we're gonna extend a little bit.
Okay.
Sleepy town. If you wake up,
Get over here to the Inspiration Tower. Go to the left a wee little bit.
Well, yeah, this is perfect. And then see the saddle between these 2 hills?
Uh-huh.
You're gonna do a right-hand turn between them, right
Okay.
over that saddle.
Just right after we get over here.
Yep.
Do you mind if I just take the chopper home today?
Not at all. Just
All right.
take it.
Let's go on back to dropping real quick, like.
All right, let's start that right turn.
All right.
Nice and
There we
slow.
go.
Good. And you're just gonna keep that turn coming
Okay.
like you're going to Red Roofs over there.
All right.
Lower that collective just a tad. Good.
How's that?
Good job. Keep coming right. You see the hospital? That big white building over
Yeah.
there? Fly me directly over that.
All right. That'll put us right at the landing.
Yep. Just to the left of it. Okay, and at this point we need to descend, so go ahead and lower the collective.
Okay, I'm bringing it slowly.
Good.
Slowly. There we go.
We're up at airplane pattern altitude and we're getting close to the airport, so we need to be down at helicopter pattern.
What altitude is that exact?
1,400.
We're at like 2,600.
We were at 2,000, now we're at 1,700.
Okay.
And we're good at 1.6 to 1.4. We're well below the traffic then.
Together we cry.
Clarkton now traffic, helicopter for Mike Charlie 3 Northwest, 1,600 eastbound, Clarkton town.
I drive.
Good, now just slowly come up on the collective,
Okay.
just to stop that descent,
How's that?
1,500.
Locked in?
Perfect, beautiful.
She sees my good deeds and she kisses me when dead. And I never worry, now that is a lie.
There's that hot air balloon over there.
I don't see it.
So we're gonna come left.
Okay.
Fly me over the hill instead of the hospital.
All right.
Raise that collective just a touch, good.
You're the way I don't ever wanna feel like I did that day. But take me to the place I love. Take me all the way. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Excellent.
Believe that there's nobody out there.
And doesn't look like we have any airplane traffic. I don't want to scare that balloon. So yep, let's come up just a little bit. Right there. Looks like he's landing.
Lonely as I
So as soon as you get over Taneycomo,
Yeah.
actually right before you get over Taneycomo, start that right hand turn.
Okay.
I don't ever wanna feel like I did.
Bump that collective down just a touch while you're turning. Good.
Perfect.
A little bit more. There you go.
Never wanna feel like I did.
And just a touch more down on the collective. Good. There's the landing off to the right. Can you see the airport over there? Green roofs.
Yeah, kind of. Yeah, I got it. I got
Okay,
it.
that's where
we
we're
took off.
going.
Okay.
Traffic helicopter.
Can we just go out here above that and take a right, go in? Is that all right?
Yeah, just stay right here. Don't go left anymore.
Okay.
Slowly lower that collective.
Okay.
A little bit more forward on the cyclic. Good. Start that right-hand turn at this point. Keep coming right. Clarktown now traffic, helicopter for Mike Charlie 1 northeast, inbound, landing direct east ram, Clarktown town. Good, lower the collective, keep coming down, keep coming right, down and right, down and right. Now slowly come aft on the cyclic, a little bit more back, lower that collective, lower the collective, back on the cyclic, down and back, down and back, down and back.
Clutch.
You're good,
Okay.
I'm counting it. It's okay.
Okay.
All right, I have control.
Okay, you have control?
I have control.
Okay.
Stay on with me.
Control.
All right, now comes the fun part. You're gonna try and hover.
Okay.
I'm gonna bring us into a hover, turn us around into the wind. All right, keep your eyes on the horizon out there.
Okay.
Tiny movements.
Okay.
You have controls.
I have the controls.
You've got them.
Have them.
Stand up straight at the foot of your love. I lift my shirt up.
I have control.
Okay, you have the controls?
I've got them.
To Ohio in a swarm of bees.
That was good.
Thank you.
We're gonna do it again.
Okay.
But Ohio don't remember.
All right, eyes on the horizon. Get you stopped. You have control.
I have the controls.
You've got them.
Lay my head on the hood of your car, right?
I have
Well, you
control.
got it. You got it.
Lay my head on the hood of your car.
Smaller movements.
Okay.
You have control.
I have the controls.
You've got them. Slowly back, now forward. It'll stop. Come back, now forward. Hold it, hold it, hold it, now forward. Good.
When I thought about home,
A
must
little bit up on that collective, just a tiny.
money I owe, the floors I've fallen out from. Everybody I know,
There we go. Hover.
I have control.
You have the controls.
I've got them. That last one was awesome.
Thank you. Thank you.
I was carried to Ohio in a
All right, you're gonna help me set down. So we just slowly lower the collective.
Okay.
Keep a little bit of forward cyclic in. Good, just keep bumping that collective down, nice and slow, all the way down.
Okay, down.
Keep going, keep going, keep going. That's it. I'm on the throttle, so I'm just gripping it, getting it below that 80%. The governor doesn't work below 80%, so we're good there. I'm gonna lock our frictions up. Start our cool down timer. Here's your ultimate test. How do you feel? You good?
Good. Yeah.
Okay. She's not sick. Anna's not sick.